I'm going to share with you some sombering statistics. No, this is not the number of people across the world who lack access to basic surgery. And this is not the percentage of surgical disease that goes untreated. This is the percentage of physicians who say they would not choose to go into medicine again if they had to make the choice again today. It's sombering and it's startling. And these statistics, they're all around us. I'm going to read some. 30 to 60% reporting burnout, 25% reporting concurrent depression, 17% only report that their career is compatible with a healthy work-life balance, 12% only would recommend medicine as a career to others. It's staggering. You know, I've given a lot of thought to these statistics, to burnout, to professional satisfaction in my life very personally, because my life has not been linear. My professional career has not been linear in a traditional sense. It's been full of pivots. I think that's in part because of my unwavering desire or demand that my career be extraordinary for some reason. And I assure you that that is equal parts blessing and curse, and my family will assure you of the same. But because of it, when I see new opportunities to learn something new, I pivot. And when I see opportunities to do something amazing in my career, I pivot. And when I feel boredom sort of creeping in, I pivot drastically. And those pivots have taken me across academic medicine and private practice and roles in leadership and entrepreneurialism and medical legal and invention and device manufacturing and, of course, global surgery. And somewhere along the way, I stumbled into the role of mentor. And it was formally at first, as you might expect, formally assigned to mentor students or residents or fellows, but much more commonly it was informally. People would call me, ask me for advice, have conversations with me, I think not because I had all the right answers, but because I had leaned into and navigated many of these challenges in my career that were quite frankly frightening. And when they called, they would ask me questions not about what I expected, which was clinical medicine, but about life and how to navigate careers and jobs and contracts and interpersonal relationships with colleagues or superiors. And this became so common that I started what I called office hours, which was a fancy way of saying I have an hour commute home every day. My phone's always open, feel free to call. And after dozens and then hundreds of these calls over the years, that's when I realized I was not so much an educator, but rather a mentor.